Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for developers. First, create your Notion account and set up a new workspace. Familiarize yourself with the basic page types and the block-based editor, which is fundamental to organizing information. Then, explore Notion's template gallery, specifically looking for developer-centric templates to kickstart your setup efficiently. This foundation will help you build powerful workflows. Next, let's organize your development projects. Create a database to track all your projects and tasks. Add essential properties such as status, priority, and due date to keep everything organized. You can then link individual tasks to their respective projects, providing a clear overview of your workload and ensuring no detail is missed. This structure is crucial for efficient project management. Notion is excellent for managing your code and documentation. You can embed code blocks directly into your pages, complete with syntax highlighting for various languages. Create a centralized knowledge base for all your technical documentation, from API specifications to project notes. Linking related documents ensures that all necessary information is just a click away, streamlining your development process. Finally, leverage Notion's advanced features for enhanced productivity. Explore automating routine tasks using Notion's API or integrating with other developer tools. Share your pages and databases with team members to facilitate seamless collaboration on projects. Customize views and filters to create personalized dashboards, giving you a tailored overview of your work and team progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.